This is the brown list. Number 1 is mad. I was mad when I didn't see the stick and I tripped and fell on my knee. Number 2 is fast. Cars drive very fast when they're on the highway. Number 3 is page. Turn to page 22 and begin to read the story. Number 4 is base. You have to touch third base in order to be considered safe. Number 5 is same. You and I are using the same pencil. Number 6 is hand. My hand was cold because I forgot to wear my mitten. Number 7 is snap. I can snap my fingers to the beat of the song. Number 8 is came. Mr. Williams came to our classroom to tell us it was time for gym class. Number 9 is grass. I don't need to mow the grass in the winter because it isn't growing. Number 10 is rake. I used a rake to sweep up the dead leaves under the tree. Number 12 is made. I made chocolate chip cookies for dessert. Number 13 is make. I am going to make soup to go with my sandwich. Number 13 is what. What are you going to do after school? Number 14 is last. This is not the last word on the test. Number 15 is face. He wiped his face after eating spaghetti. The next one is ask. If you need to get a drink of water, please ask me first. And the last one is sack. I put all of the Legos in a sack to keep the floor clean.